Canva just updated their editing workspace, and now the design and elements search bar works as a full prompt bar that lets you generate images, videos, and even code right inside your canvas. No more switching tabs, no more going in and out of your design. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Most people will open Canva, create their design, and then move outside the canvas every time they need to use AI. That works, and it is what we are used to, but it slows you down and interrupts your workflow. But here is where this update completely changes the game. Instead of leaving your design just to generate content, you can now stay inside your canvas, type your prompt directly into the new prompt bar, and instantly generate everything you need. For example, if you are creating a children's ebook, you can simply type your prompts page by page and generate all the images without ever leaving your workspace. It is super fast and super efficient. To access this feature, simply go to your Canva account, click on Create, and choose any canvas size you want. When your blank canvas loads, open Elements or Design on the left panel and look at the top. What used to be a normal search bar is now a full function prompt bar. Just type your prompt, click the button that says Generate Images, and Canva will instantly create your visuals right there inside your workspace. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have learned how to open your canvas, navigate to the new prompt bar, generate images directly inside your design, and streamline your entire digital product workflow without leaving your workspace. Don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.